Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to day 5 of my app journey. And as you know, yesterday, if you saw my video, I was covering on the parts of user feedbacks and doing improvements on my application. And I completed most of the improvements that I thought were needed. No, now you see, not every user feedback is required to be implemented into the application, because what it does ki sometimes it's also a personal preference of a particular person, and it can impact the use case for any other person. So I need to firstly I sorted out what kind of user feedbacks were important for the application. I thought about it. I did some use case research, and also and also focusing on the marketing part. One thing I realized, I was also working last night also. I didn't record that part, but when I was going through once more from the user feedbacks, I thought that maybe sometimes it's not possible for everyone to know what they want. I mean, it's they don't know. I mean, as a user, you don't know what you want sometimes, and maybe you see an application, it's okay, but you have some personal preference of how it can be improved, but you don't know what you need actually from the application. And so for that part, I did some research on the internet, and I explored, and and today my major goal would be not to code something, or but more about thinking how the application could be more suited for the people. And by suited I mean I need to focus more on the personification, categorization, better categories, better understanding the actual needs of the people. What are the key areas that people really require faster help for. And not I understand my application, I think has become more generalized, and I want to make it more targeted. I don't want I know I cannot solve every problem out there, and any application who says that they can solve everything out there is not a good application, because as we know, jack of all trade is the master of none. So my application should also be focused on, maybe if there are 5 categories, 8 categories only, then the application should be focused on it. And revolve. I need to understand the categorization very better way. I need to maybe research and think about user psychology. I need to think from both a good user and a bad user, and a normal user, a user who's not well versed with the technology, a user who is well versed with the technology, who needs advanced use case, who needs less use case. So I need to think about what every kind of user faces problem with, what is their daily things, that daily issues. I need to think upon that my application can make their journey better, make their help thing faster for them, maybe more better for them, so that the platform can become more suited for them. So today most part will go on that, and then I also will think on images thing. I need to change the images and make the title more suitable, category more suitable. So guys, let's start today.
Good time has passed, and at least I mean, I thought it would be a very easy job to do. I need to just select some illustrations for my application, but it went out to be a real tough thing to do, because choosing the right illustrations that fit with the title, I think the feedback from the user was very genuine for this part, because choosing the right illustration for a particular title, I think, I mean, is a tough job. And you know, if your image does not fits well with the title, then people can misinterpret things in one go. So from my perspective, I have tried to do as best as possible. I've also created 2 and 4 more categories also, to make the selection process for user much better, because some of them were saying that there were some categories that were missing. Some things were, they wanted they should get custom option, but to keep the things intact and to also not increase my work, I need to find a way between both these things to keep such categories, keep the category selection and image selection in such a way that it encompasses all the areas which my application helps to target. And if you are wondering from where I am getting these illustrations, you can use this icons 8 library if you need for any project or something in your graphic design or something. It's a really great place to find your icons, illustrations and photos. So yeah guys, I'm doing that. And also, I also talked to one more person regarding my marketing stuff, and we decided some things also, how we will proceed. He walked me through the details of how a particular marketing thing works. And like we need a face to be present in our videos. So we are deciding on those things. We will need to, in upcoming days, we will create a strategy and plan for that. And yeah guys, I'm continuing on it. Guys, wrapping up today's days of work, and after doing a lot of research on Reddit, Quora and YouTube, I am finally able to categorize some categories, and rest will depend on how more people feedback. I can change it, but for now I made a comprehensive list of categories and also changed images for better clarity. I will again take feedbacks from user and understand what more is lacking into the application. And I will wrap up the day today. So meet you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. And if you are liking this journey and you want to be connected in some way, do DM below, comment down, and also send your emails if you want early access for the application. Thank you guys. Bye.